Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today I want to talk about how we can learn and speak English easily. Even if we live in a village, many people think English is very difficult. But actually, English becomes easy when we practice every day with simple sentences. You do not need a big city, expensive school, or rich lifestyle to learn English. A village student can also speak good English with confidence. I also believe in a simple place, but I try to learn new words every day. The best way to improve English is by speaking slowly and practicing daily. First, learn easy sentences like how are you? What are you doing? I am fine and I like this place. You can speak in front of a mirror, record voice, or talk with friends. Watching English videos and listening to simple English conversation also helps a lot. Do not feel shy if you make mistakes because mistakes are part of learning. Every good English speaker once started with small words. Read simple books, learn 5 new words every day, and repeat them again and again. Slowly your confidence will grow. When you speak English daily, your tongue and brain become faster. Even if your pronunciation is not perfect, keep trying. Confidence is more important than perfection. Many successful people started from villages and learned English by themselves. So never think you are less than others. Your hard work can change your future. English can help you in jobs, YouTube, business, travel and communication with people around the world. If you practice only 15 to 30 minutes every day, you will see improvement after some months. Always believe in yourself and never give up. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more simple English learning videos.